Cilia flagella Potter and Ribosome Granger are two young organelles with a dream. A dream of one day being accepted into the Hogwarts Academy of Cell Parts and Chemistry. This is the most prestigious institution where organelles can come to learn all the tricks and spells to reach their full potential. After a long process filled with application essays, entrance exams, interviews, and so much more, all that these organelles have been doing is waiting for a single piece of paper that dictates the course of their whole futures. Sounds like today's the day that these organelles have just been waiting for.
To Cilia flagella Potter. The organelle on the cell? Oh my gosh, I got accepted. I have to tell Ribosome. Ribosome, did you get accepted to Hogwarts too?
No way! Our letter's out already? But Hogwarts is like the 5th best high school in the nation. They have 2 electron microscopes. This could change my future. No way! I got in too! I'm so ready for BCA. Wait, no. That's somewhere else. We're in Hogwarts. Who's ready for the class of 2019?
Welcome, organelles of the class of 2019. The time is 7:57. Please place your broomsticks by your locker and report to IGS. The time is 7:57. Please report to IGS. Welcome, organelles. I'm Professor Cytoskeleton. In case you didn't know, my job is to be supportive and help with the internal structure of organelles. Now that you know a little bit about me, let's get to know a little bit about you two and your functions with icebreakers.
Hi guys, my name is Cilia flagella Potter, but you can call me Harry. My favorite spell, Ciliosis and Flagelliosis, allow me to transport anything, anywhere. As Cilia, I work like a coordinated team of oars, and I can push a cell throughout an organism. And as Flagella, I can change the direction of a cell's path, or I can propel a cell forward by moving in a whip-like motion. Flagelliosis.
Hi guys, I'm Ribosome Granger, and I'm just excited to be here. Honestly, my favorite spell is all about changing proteins, so it turns from mRNA to proteins, so it goes in. It changes and manipulates, so that's my favorite spell. I'm pretty productive. I mean, after all, I'm present in every single cell, which means I have to do a lot of work to keep up with it. I'm free and I'm bound. Sometimes you can find me in my dorm floating around in the cytosol, and I'll be talking to my friends, mitochondria and chloroplasts. After all, it's all about time management. You have to have a social life. Then, sometimes I'm bound to my homework. We're pretty attached to each other, and it even has a name, endoplasmic reticulum. And I guess we can say we've become pretty close. But anyway, my favorite spell is all about mRNA and proteins and changing them into each other.
Can you use that spell to change and manipulate my GPA to a 4.0?
Cilia, sadly, no organelle can use any spell to change their GPA to a 4.0, not even ribosome.
But with hard work and effort, you can get there to a 4.0. Be positive.
Well, that's easy for you to say, Ribosome. You're always working hard and producing proteins wherever you are, whether you're bound or free.
Cilia, you have to remember, attitude is everything. You've got to use your dynein motor proteins to push your way towards your goal.
But what about you, Miss Cytoskeleton? What exactly do you do?
Well, as the cytoskeleton, I'm here to provide support every step of the way and act as your guys' backbones. I'm basically a system of fibrous proteins throughout the cell that has a variety of functions, from providing structural support to assisting with the internal movement of organelles. I consist of 3 main types of proteins: microtubules.
Wait, I remember reading something about that. I made of that thing, the
Microtubules.
Oh yeah, that, microtubules. I made of 9 microtubule outer pairs in the outside, surrounding a single pair in the center. This 9+2 structure is surrounded by an extension of the plasma membrane, and it's attached to the cell by the basal body. I'm also made up of dynein proteins. They're attached to each outer microtubule pair, and when they move along the adjacent pair, it causes me to bend and therefore propel a cell forward.
Yeah, exactly, Cilia. Wow, seems like somebody's been studying. 1 point extra credit for you. So yeah, microtubules grow out of an area in the cell near the nucleus called the centrosome. This has a pair of centrioles. Because plant cells don't have this, they produce this protein through other means. And in addition to microtubules, I'm also made of microfilaments. These are made of actin proteins that double twist into chain-like structures that form rods. And this forms a 3D meshwork right inside the cytoplasm that, yes.
Wait, but don't you have something called intermediary filaments too?
Yes, I was just getting to that. So in addition to microfilaments, I have microtubules. Intermediate filaments, as ribosome just said. And these are made of a different variety of proteins depending on its location in the cell. And these cable up into cable-like structures that help it perform its function.
Wow, there's so many different things, and it's so obvious how form fits function. After all, I have two subunits. I have the larger and I have the smaller. The larger has a catalytic function. The catalytic function basically acts as an enzyme, so that's why it's called the ribozyme. The smaller one is mainly for decoding. It takes in the mRNA and translates it to make proteins. This way, all the form fits the function because they work together to create proteins.
It seems like all of these different components are working together to achieve a common goal.
Exactly. That is the secret behind the magic of the cell after all. Form fits function. Every organelle has a unique structure and composition that helps it perform its specialized function.
That's just like the class of 2019. We're gonna work together, we're gonna grow together, and we're all gonna become one really happy family.
Exactly. Over your next 4 years here, you guys are going to learn to interact with each other as you learn about each other's functions. And even though you guys might fail once or twice, probably a lot more, but that's okay. Because after you're done with your 4 years here, you guys are going to be fully functioning organelles ready to work in any cell. How exciting is that?